Anyway, why are you taking the Welsh cold? Stop taking the wheezy meds. Stop taking the wheezy meds.
Oh my god, Edward, please.
He was a fairy. He was a fairy.
Oh my god. I'm changing this avatar. I'm actually changing this avatar. Holy shit. Holy shit.
I'm still gonna duck pictures into this. He's wheezing his ass off.
He's wheezing.
5. My friend Chipmunk is wheezing his ass off like Donald Duck.
You better record that. If you record
tdawg, I'm literally recording this. What am I doing? I'm telling tdawg I'm recording this.
You sounded like I need you. I'm still.
But of course, I'm going
Chipmunk duck. Chipmunk duck. Chipmunk duck.
Everybody, listen. If I pass out, we're all blaming it on Train Boy.
Why? I was recording that.
I was just joking, bro. Oh my god.
It sounds like you just shot a. It's like.
It doesn't sound like that, Edward. Yeah, it does sound like that.
Noise. When he wheezes, he sounds like he should.
No, bro, Chipmunk, tell it to Henry and do that. You can post it on our channel.
Bro, I'm about to fucking die. Shut up.
Chipmunk is just gonna.
Bro, I'm trying so much to do this.
Spice. Oh my god. I think he's gonna choke.